Hey everyone, I'm Danielle, a graphic design intern at bigDAWGS, and I'm super excited to share my first big project with you. My mission was to design a magnet that really showed off bigDAWGS' amazing printing capabilities, especially with cool embellishments. I decided to create an event that aligned with my interests, and that's how Jazz at the Aquarium was born. I imagined a fish shaped like a music note, with wavy staffs and little notes dancing around it. I wanted it to feel as fluid and inviting as jazz itself, or even water. I always start with sketching, lots of drafts. I go back and forth between drawing and getting inspired online. For the magnet, I played around with different fish designs until I found the perfect one. Once I had a few strong concepts, I refined them, always getting feedback from my supervisor. And the more time I spent, the clearer the whole picture became. Then came the fun part, embellishments. I got to imagine all these different foil colors on the design. I kept it clean and decided on blue foil for the text and bubbles. And for an extra touch, I added varnish to the fish to give it a cool texture. And of course, a project isn't truly done until it gets approval. The bigDAWGS CEO, Ed, had some great feedback, which meant a quick redesign and a reprint. But honestly, it was all part of the learning process and made the final magnet even better. This was my first time prepping for print, and let me tell you, formatting can be a challenge. You really have to be super precise with guides for the CNC and the foil machines. I even had a little hiccup with the MGI machine because I forgot a tiny dot in the guides. But honestly, figuring out where I went wrong was so satisfying every single time. It taught me how crucial it is to sort and label everything. Layers, files, and things like that. Oh, and a tip from me to you, always remember to turn on overprint preview. And here it is, my very own car magnet. I had such a blast creating this, playing with shapes, typography, and bringing in texture and embellishment. It's so cool how much of a difference embellishments can make. I've been imagining my magnet on cars driving down the road, and I think it's pretty eye-catching and just as fun as it was to create. Holding it in my hands, seeing it all come together, felt so incredibly satisfying. I've also learned that I really enjoy printing and have come to appreciate precision and organization even more. This project was an amazing intro to printing, and it's made me even more excited for what else I can learn.